In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Before you begin, make sure you have both the PayPal app and a Cash App installed and set up on your phone. You'll also need to have the same bank account linked to both apps, because PayPal does not allow direct transfers to Cash App. First, open the PayPal app. At the top of the screen, you'll see your available PayPal balance. Under your balance, tap on the Transfer button. PayPal will then show you a few transfer options, such as transferring to a bank, PayPal Savings, or international transfers. Choose the option to transfer to your bank account. Next, select your linked bank account. PayPal will usually give you two choices: an instant transfer with a fee, or a standard transfer that takes 1 to 3 business days with no fee. If you don't need the money right away, it's best to choose the 1 to 3 business day option to avoid paying extra fees. Once you've selected the transfer speed, tap Transfer to confirm. After the transfer is completed, your PayPal balance will go to zero, and the money will be on its way to your bank account. When the funds show up in your bank, you can move on to the next step. Now, open the Cash App. At the top of the screen, you'll see your current Cash App balance. Tap on the Add Cash button. Enter the amount you want to add, which should be the same amount you transferred from PayPal. Then tap Add to confirm. Once you do this, the money will instantly appear in your Cash App balance. Assuming your bank supports instant deposits, you can check your updated balance at the top of the screen to make sure the transfer was successful. And that's the easiest and most reliable way to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. Since there's no direct connection between the two apps, using your bank account as a middle step is the safest method and works every time. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.